Alright, so this is Revival by the Allman Brothers. We're going to have an A chord, we're going to have that D chord with the 4, 2, and 3 with the A bass in it, D with the A bass. So we're going to go. And then E, back to A. So nice and slow, 2, 3, and. Okay, be sure to download the free tabs. It's going to help out a lot on this tune with the strumming and the different leads and everything. You got the harmony leads and everything. So we're going to start out with this first lick. So I had a pull off on the G string, 7 to 5, down to that 7 on the D, and then second string, 5, 8, 8 to 10. So it's. We're going to start out the same. 5 to 8, quick 5 to 6 hammer on the G string. So we got. We do it twice. Now the follow up to that is going to be. Okay, so we had a little 5 to the 8 on the second string. So 5, 5, 8, and then 6, 6, 5 in the second string. And then 5, 6, 8, little 5, 5 in the second, 4 in the G. So the end of the phrase there. So we got. Okay, so that's the higher melody. Okay, and then we go back to the. Do it twice, and then we move on to the next part. Now the lower part that goes with that is going to be. So we got the 7, 5 on the D string, down to the 7 on the A string, and then we're jumping down to the third string, the G string, 5, 7, 7 to 9. So. And the second half goes. 5, 7, 5, 7 on the D hammer there at the end. So. Okay, now its ending part is going to go. Okay, so we had 5s on the second string, 5, 5 to 7 on the G. So. And then 7, 7, 5 on the G, and then 4, 5, 7 to 5 on the second, 2 on the G, 2 on the D. Okay, so we got. And then you're back to. Okay, then we move into a new rhythm we got. Okay, so we have A minor chord, 5, 7, 7 and 5s, B minor, 7, 9, 9 and 7s, C major, 8, 10, 10, 9, 8, 8. Okay, so what we have is we got, we're walking up right away. We're gonna hit 1 B minor at the end of that. And then A, B, C to B. Okay, Okay, so B is a little longer and that one gets held a little bit. So okay, so it does that same thing twice. Okay, if you want to follow that bass line a little bit, there you go. Okay, then we have a great octave part that happens on that thing. When that thing happens, we got this octave part. It's going to be the E note, 7th fret A string with its octave, 9th fret of the G string. We're going to go. So 7, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9. Talking about the bass note of those two, right? Quick 10, 9 at the end of that. So. And then 7, 9, 10, 9, 10, 12, 9. Okay, so we got. And then. Okay, so we're going to kind of go down a little bit on that scale. We got. And then 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 5, 7. So as we walk up, we got in the second half of this, we got 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 5, 7. Okay, so the whole thing, we got. Okay, then we're going to jump up to the 12th fret. 12, 14, 15. So that's actually just like the other part, just in a different fret. Then we have a new harmony guitar thing coming in. We got. Okay, so we got 4 notes right there leading in. 7 on the D string, 4 and 5 on the G, back to that 7. Then we're jumping to the 6th fret of the 2nd string. Going to the 8, 5, 6, 8. So it's 5, 6, 5, and then 7, 5 on the G. Go to that 7 on the D and back. So we got 7, 5 on the 2nd, 5, 7 on the G. A little circle there of things. So we got. So we got 7, 4, 5, 7 to start. 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 5, and then 7, 5, 7, 5. Then we go 7, 5, 5, 7. So it's. That was first ending, then we go second time through. So second ending is 7 on the G, 5 on the B, 5, 7 on the G, 7 on the D. Okay, now the harmony to all that is. Okay, so we come in the same way. We got 12 on the D, 9 and 10 on the G, back to that 12. And then we go 10 and 11 on the B string here. So we got. And we pivot off that 12 on the G. So we got little 10 back to the 11. So we got. And then 10 on the second. 12, 10, 12 on the G. Just your 10, 11, back to 12 and back. So we got. That's the first ending. Then you got so 10, 11 on the second, 9 to 10 on the third, 12 on the fourth string. Okay, then the octave, the lower one, jumps up to. Okay, I'm not going to go too in depth on that. That's exactly the same thing as the octave off this 7th fret. It's the 19th fret now. So the only thing is the ending to look at. So first ending the same, and then so we end with 19 on the G, 17 on the B, 17 on the G, 17 on the B, and then bend the 17 on the G. So we got. Then we'll go to the 19 and bend that. So we got. And that's also an E chord right in there. Then we have a little fill in harmony. We got. Okay, so that first part is. So we're going up and down on that 12 on the first string to the 9, 12 on the second string. We're going back to that 9, pull off, 12 to 10, down to that 11. And then 10, pull off, 11 to 9, stop on that 11 on the D. Then we're going to jump down here to the 7 and 9, 6, 7, 6 on the G. You got that 9 coming back. Okay, so you got your 9 to 7 and 9, 7 to 9, 7, big 9 over there. So. Okay, and that has a lower one that starts on the second string, 12. Okay, so we start on this 12th fret of the second string. Up and down, pull off to the 10. 11 on the G. You got your 10, 11, 9. And then 9 on the G. Go to that 11, 9, and 7. Then we're going to go to the 5th string. 7, 9. 7, 9 on the D. I think you see what's happening there. And the higher one. Okay, then we move into some new rhythm territory. So here we're going to have A to D to A, and then 2, 4 on the D string to 2 on the G. Okay, second time, A to D, E is that 6, 4, 5 with that A bass. Back to A. You can also go to the A up here. We're going to see that 7, 6, 5, 5 coming in here at the end. You could also go whichever one you like. That's when you got Greg Allman doing some vocals in there. Then we're gonna have a thing come in. Coming out of that 2-4-2 riff. We're gonna come into the, so that was 2, 4 on the G to 2 on the second string. We're gonna go 2, 3, 5 on the second string. And then little E string, open 4, 5. Okay, then we're gonna have 10, 12 on the second string to little 9, and then 9, 10, 12. And then we're gonna have 17 on the second string, 17 to 16, 17. And then we're gonna have 17, 19, 21. Okay, Okay, so that whole series is. Okay, and then as soon as that last one hits, we got. So that love is everywhere. We're gonna hold that a little bit. And then we have. Okay, so 3 times of that. A to D, E to the A. Okay, then there's a little breakdown. We got people doing fills. So the fill for the guitar is. So it's like 6 on the G to 7 on the B string. Back. 5, 7, 5. 6, 5. 6 to 4, 2 to 4 to 2. That kind of a thing. There's another one that goes. There's another, it's like on an acoustic guitar. Okay, and then we got that. Okay, 3 times at the end, we got that riff. We're all done. Revival, Allman Brothers, great stuff, great harmonies. Talk to y'all soon.